Hello everyone and welcome back to Snack English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. Hi, everyone. It is so nice to be here with you today. I really love our time together.
Me too, Sarah. Now, I have a question. Have you ever been sick in a place where everyone speaks English?
Oh, yes. One time I was traveling and I felt very bad and I needed help in English.
That is a very stressful situation.
It really was. I did not know the right words. I did not know how to explain what I felt.
And today, we are going to fix that.
Oh, is today's topic about being sick?
Yes, today we talk about how to say you are sick in English and how to ask for help.
I love this topic because nobody plans to get sick, but it happens to everyone.
And when it happens, you need the words fast.
Yes, simple, clear words. And today we will learn them.
Before we start, please subscribe to Snack English and give this episode a like. It really helps us.
Yes, and share it with a friend who is learning English. This episode is very useful.
And comment sick below right now. Let us know you are here with us today.
Great. Okay, Adam, let's start. How do you say you are sick in English?
The most simple way is I feel sick.
I feel sick. Short and clear.
Or I don't feel well.
I don't feel well. That is a very natural phrase, very common in English.
Yes, I feel sick is stronger. I don't feel well is softer, a little more polite.
Like, I feel sick means something is really wrong. I don't feel well means things are not good.
Exactly, and both are correct. Both are natural.
Now, when you go to the doctor, they ask, what is wrong? Or, what are your symptoms?
Symptoms. A symptom is how your body feels, what is different, what hurts.
And in English, we say symptoms with I have a headache. I have a fever.
I have a headache. That means your head hurts.
I have a fever. That means your body temperature is high. You feel very hot.
I have a sore throat. That means your throat hurts. It is painful to swallow.
I have a cough. That means you cough a lot. That sound, cough, cough.
Yes, everyone knows that sound.
And I have a cold. A cold is a common sickness. A runny nose, a cough, feeling tired.
A runny nose. That means liquid comes from your nose. Not nice, but very common.
Yes, not nice, but very real.
So we have our key phrases. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a sore throat. I have a cough. I have a cold.
All with I have. That is the structure. I have a, then the symptom.
Simple and very useful.
Now, Adam, what do you do when you feel sick? What is the first thing?
The first thing, I rest. I go to bed. I drink a lot of water.
Rest and water. The most basic advice.
Yes, and sometimes I take medicine.
Take medicine, not eat medicine, not drink medicine. In English, you take medicine.
I take medicine. I took 2 tablets this morning.
Tablets, small round medicine. You take them with water.
Yes, 2 tablets 3 times a day.
That is what the doctor says. Take 2 tablets 3 times a day.
And sometimes the doctor says you should rest for 2 days.
You should rest. Should is very useful for advice.
Yes, should means this is a good idea. This is my advice.
You should drink more water. You should stay home today. You should see a doctor.
All advice, all with should.
And the opposite, you should not go to work. You should not eat heavy food.
You should not or you shouldn't. Same meaning, a little shorter.
You shouldn't go outside in the cold.
Good. Very natural.
Okay, everyone, if you are still with us, thank you. Please subscribe to Snack English, like this episode, and share it with a friend.
Yes, and comment sick below. We love to see your names.
Now, Adam, let's do a role play. I am the patient, you are the doctor.
Okay, ready. Good morning. Please sit down. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well. I feel very tired.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday. Since yesterday morning.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. My body feels very hot.
And do you have a sore throat?
Yes, my throat hurts a lot. It is painful when I drink water.
Do you have a cough?
A little, not very bad, but yes, I cough sometimes.
Okay, I think you have a cold. You should rest at home for 2 days, and you should drink a lot of water.
Should I take medicine?
Yes, take these tablets, 2 tablets, 3 times a day, with food.
With food. Okay, thank you, doctor.
Rest well, you will feel better soon.
That was great, Adam. Very natural.
Thank you. And everyone, did you hear? I have a fever. My throat hurts. You should rest. Take 2 tablets 3 times a day. All very simple.
And very useful. You can use these sentences in any clinic, in any pharmacy.
Now I want to tell a story about one time I was sick in a different country.
Ooh, tell us.
Last year, I traveled to another city for work, a long trip. I was very tired on the plane.
A long flight is always tiring.
Yes, and when I landed, I felt strange. My head hurt. My throat hurt.
Oh no, the start of a cold.
Yes, I went to my hotel. I rested, but in the morning, I felt worse.
Worse than the day before?
Much worse. I had a high fever. I could not stand up easily.
That sounds very bad.
It was bad, and I was alone, no friends, no family, in a new city.
That is very stressful.
So I called the hotel and I said, I feel very sick. I need a doctor, please.
And what did the hotel say?
The person at the front desk said, of course, we will send someone to your room.
That is so helpful.
A doctor came to my room. He asked, what are your symptoms? And I said, I have a fever. I have a headache. I feel very weak.
Weak. That means you have no strength, no energy.
Yes, I felt weak. I could not do anything.
And what did the doctor say?
He said, you have the flu. You should rest for 2 days, and you should drink a lot of water.
The flu, more serious than a cold.
Yes, a cold is not so bad. The flu is stronger. You feel much worse.
And did you get better?
Yes, after 2 days of rest and a lot of water, I felt much better.
Good. Rest really works.
It really does. And the lesson, don't be afraid to ask for help, even in a new place, even in English.
Yes, just say, I feel sick. I need help. People will understand.
Simple words, big help.
Okay, now let's practice. I will ask Adam some questions. Everyone, try to answer before Adam does.
Ready?
Adam, do you have a headache right now?
No, I don't have a headache right now. I feel fine today, but yesterday I had a small headache in the evening.
What did you do for the headache?
I drank 2 glasses of water and I rested for 1 hour. Then it went away.
Good. Did you take medicine?
No, I didn't take medicine. The water helped.
What should you do if you have a fever?
You should rest. You should drink a lot of water. And you should see a doctor if the fever is very high.
Good advice. And what should you not do when you are sick?
You should not go to work, and you should not be around other people, because you can make them sick too.
Very responsible.
Thank you.
My turn now. Ask me something.
Sarah, what do you do first when you feel sick?
The first thing I do is rest. I go to bed early and I drink hot tea with honey.
Hot tea with honey. That is a classic.
My mother always gave me hot tea with honey when I was sick. Now I do it too.
And does it help?
I think so. At least it feels warm and nice.
Sometimes feeling warm and nice is the best medicine.
Yes. Okay, Adam. Wait, I want to go back to something.
What?
Earlier, I said, my mother always gave me hot tea.
Yes.
Gave. That is the past tense of give.
Yes. Give, gave. The word changes completely.
In the present, she gives me tea. In the past, she gave me tea.
Give, gave. Very common verb. Very important to know.
And you will use this verb a lot at the doctor. The doctor gave me a prescription. The pharmacist gave me the tablets.
Great. Now you know it.
Okay, everyone, let's wrap up today's episode.
Yes. Today we talked about being sick. We learned how to say you feel sick, I feel sick, I don't feel well.
We learned the key symptoms. I have a headache, I have a fever, I have a sore throat, I have a cough, I have a cold.
We learned how to give advice with should. You should rest, you should drink water, you should see a doctor.
And we learned the verb give in the past. Give became gave, not givid.
We also did a doctor role play, and we heard Adam's story about getting sick in a new city.
And asking for help in English. And it worked.
It always works. If you use simple words and you are not afraid, people will help you.
Simple words, real situations. That is Snack English.
Now, my challenge for you today. Think of the last time you were sick and say one sentence in English about it.
Just one sentence. Last week, I had a cold. Or yesterday, I had a headache. Very simple.
Say it out loud, right now, just once.
And then comment sick below and tell us what you do when you have a cold. Tea, medicine, sleep?
We want to know. We love reading your answers.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Snack English, give it a like, and share it with someone who needs it.
Every episode is one more step forward, and every step counts.
You are doing so well. Keep going.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.